Here's how to bring your motion capture data into Maya and characterize the parts of the skeleton. So what you'll want to do is import. So just go File, Import. I already have my import window open here. And I'm going to choose the motion capture data that I have. So in this case, it's motioncap.fbx. So my motion capture software has created this skeleton. But Maya doesn't know what parts each bone are. So I'm just going to select everything there and go to Skeleton, Human IK. And I'm going to create character definition. So here's where I will assign each bone. So you can select a bone and then find the corresponding part over here in definition. So I just right click here and go assign selected bone. This mirroring button is turned on, so it should mirror all your definitions to help speed things along. So I'm just going to choose each part and assign the selected bone. Our motion capture data also added things like toes. I'm not going to bother with that right now. I'm just going to do the essential components of this skeleton. So I'm just going to do the foot there. Hip. And then we have some parts of the spine. So this is the first vertebrae of the spine. So I'm going to assign that to here. And then I'm actually going to go into more detail in the spine here because we do have some parts in the chain that we need to assign. Okay, so I have a total of 3 vertebrae there, 2 inside and 1 on the outside. Moving up, I do have part of a shoulder here, so I'll assign this one. There's only 1, and then we'll do the rest of the arm. And same as the foot, we do have fingers here, just like the foot has toes, but I'm just going to do the hand. And then I'm going to go into the neck, and there are 2 vertebrae in the neck that I'm going to assign. And I'll come back out and then assign the head. So everything is green. And you want to make sure that you are doing this on the first frame where there is a T-pose, because if you do move on, you can see that it turns yellow as the skeleton starts to move around. But what we really want is to make sure that it is good green on this first frame. From there, you can click on Create Control Rig. And once that's been created, it looks very similar to what you would find in Motion Builder. So if I click on the shoulder is selected here, and so on. Okay, so this is good. I'm going to go back to definition, and I'm just going to change this to none. And I'm going to save this scene. And I could call it something like Cap characterized. So we'll save that scene, and the next step will be to bring this into Motion Builder.